What's up, everybody? Back again. Thanks for watching. Got a 1970 Boss 302 factory shaker car. Car's been fully restored. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a numbers matching car. Got pictures of all the bins on the block, trans, etc. This car is turnkey, ready to go. Like I said, factory shaker car, factory spoiler car. Paint on the car is really nice. Got the Magnum 500s with the radial TAs. Got gnats landing on the bright yellow paint there. Really clean door jambs. It's got factory black interior. It's a factory tack car. Headliner in the car is mint, even above the visors on both sides. No ugly speakers installed in the quarter trim panels. Factory seats and seat belts. Got the 8K tack. Car shows 80,000 miles, but like I said, it's been fully restored. Dash pad is in pretty much mint condition. Got one little place right there. Factory radio that works. Her shifter. Kick panels are in great shape. I really like the detail of the paint work. See any overspray. Factory glass. That's 9E. That's 9J. The engine's actually dated 9J. Let me get the key. Show you inside the trunk. It's got rear louvers. Trunk prop rod. Nice detailed trunk area with the space saver spare and the air bottle. Correct style trunk mat. Really clean trunk floors. Here's the Marty report. Car was sold new in Delaware, Ohio. It's factory yellow, black interior. Factory Magnum, factory tack, factory shaker, factory spoiler car. A lot of nice detailing done. The reflective paint stripe. Original glass on this side as well. Like I said, nice clean door jambs. Interior's in excellent shape. Really crisp door lines. Beautiful Boss 302. I know there's always a lot of yellow Boss 302s out there for sale, but you have to find the ones that really stand out with, original engine, transmission, and a really nice restoration. And this is that car. The hood popped here. All right. So first off, it's got the original buck tag. They riveted it back on. Smog, all the smog's there. Snorkel with the heat tube. It's got the original carburetor. Have pictures of the number of that. Date correct to the car. Really clean frame rails. Nice wraparound shock towers that haven't been cut. Rev limiter still there. Just a really nicely detailed engine bay. Correct style fan shroud. Is on the car. There's the fan. It's a really nicely detailed Boss 302. So let's hear it run. Reverse lockout does work on the trans. Let's put it in neutral. Up. Cool natured, fires right up. Factory style exhaust on the car, so it's not real loud. Really nice, ready to go, Boss 302. All right, now we'll do a driving video. Here in the 1970 Boss 302, about to take it out on the interstate. temperature gauge right in the middle, idling at about 700 RPM. Turn the blinker on, got the blinker working. Alright, let's go. Clutch feels really good.